YouTube, what is up? Alright, I've got a little bit of drone footage for you guys. A little bit on the whoop trail that I love, and then a little bit climbing the hills. It's kind of tough flying the drone when your elevation changes in speed, but did the best I could. It's not that easy. I was actually flying, and my buddy Todd was driving. But yeah, I thought they were fun shots, so I thought it'd be cool to show you guys. But maybe talk about the chip a little bit. The chip is awesome. You know, the VR tuned flash is cool. It takes 5 minutes, and you're at 225 horsepower. Pretty amazing, and I feel like the drivability is exactly the same. It's just more power, so it's just more top end. I think they actually richen up the fuels to make it a little bit safer too. So clutching feels amazing. The new clutching on the 2020, I haven't blown a belt yet. I am kind of being cautious because I don't want to blow belts, but it does feel like the new clutching is managing the power really well. So I'm super happy. We'll get back out there at the dunes with some bighorns or some paddles that are. I do like bighorns that are new. I think work really good with four-wheel drive at the dunes. So I do have a brand new set of bighorns, so I can go out and try with some lightweight bighorns in the dunes and get some more footage. But man, it was fun, and the power, the 2020. The motor is a big deal. The suspension's working better. The steering's better. I need to go do a full walk around and kind of review of the Can-Am. Maybe I'll try to do that this weekend. But I'm super impressed. In the open desert and dune stuff, it is freaking awesome, man. It's got so much power, especially with the tune. It's crazy. So really having fun with it. Yeah, appreciate you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
I gave it full throttle that time. Good. Unbelievable.